cats and kittens, Cynthia here. I've got my top bun in and I'm ready to do a makeup tutorial. For today's makeup, we are only using things found at CVS Pharmacy and probably from 2011. We're only going to need a hamburger sponge and a cheese sponge for this tutorial. First things first, we are going to use this. It's called primer. Not sure what it does, but I bet it makes me look beautiful. So we're going to take our cheese sponge. We're going to squirt some of this on there. I think this ought to do it. Now we just rub it all over our face, like so. I'm feeling primed already. Wow. Look how it just highlights my face. That's nice. That's really nice. All right. Now we don't need that. We're going to use this stick. It's called CoverGirl Stick. So I'm assuming we cover things with it. So with our stick, we're going to cover up these pimples from quarantine anxiety. Maybe put some down there a little bit. Maybe even contour. That'd be nice. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Wow, I'm looking good so far. Next, we're going to use this clean classic ivory. That's going to be good. Just gotta get that open. Getting it open. All right, so we're going to use our same cheese sponge from before. Just gonna pour it on there. Oh yeah, that is quite enough. See that? More is less is what I always say. Oh yeah. Just gonna spread it on your face, covering everything up. Oh no. All right, keep covering. Oh no. Keep that coverage. Oh yeah. That is nice. Oh, might have to resort to our hamburger sponge. Oh, there it is. A nice stroke. Oh yeah. Let's try my other hand now. A little bit of that. Cover that big 5 head up. That is something. Slippery little sponge we have here. Put it on. Don't forget the nose, maybe. Alright, that looks good so far. Oh, there we go. A little bit? Okay. So now, we're going to take our hamburger sponge. We're going to dip it in this powder substance. Or throw it in there. That's good. Alright, now that's on there, we're just gonna dab it. It's all about the dab and stroke. Oh yeah, right there. That is how we get beautiful right there, ladies and gentlemen. Gonna do a little bit more dip. Oh yeah. Oh, cover up that over there. Wow. Looking good. Oh, got it in my hair a little bit. It's okay. Dry shampoo will soak it up. Okay, now that my face is beautiful, let's go with some blush. So we're going to take this little guy. Do some painting strokes almost, just like that. Yeah. Do a little bit of that, a little bit of that. Even dust face, make it look a little more natural. Alright, wow. Looking good so far. So next, let's do some eyeshadow. See, this eyeshadow brush is pretty cool. Got my sister a set for Christmas. And I stole one out of it before I gave it to her. So I think I'm going to go bold with some purple today. Just gonna do a little bit of, oh yeah, just strokes. That's all we got here. Big purple stroke. Oh yeah, we're gonna go with the eyebrows here. That looks awesome. Let's do our other eye. There it is, right there. Kind of got a black eye going a little bit. Nope. All right, we're gonna keep it. Okay, so this is where it's gonna get tricky. We're gonna go with liquid eyeliner. I think I should do the top and bottom. Me too. All right, so we got a little. All right, a little bit of right there. Yep, that's working for us. Let's do a little bottom. Wow. Beautiful, actually. Let's do our other eye. Oh yeah, not even looking. That's how good I am. So that bottom lid. Right about there. Great. Up. Got on my nose. A little bit. Get that off. Alright, now that we have our dark, moody eyes going, let's try the mascara out. This guy, there's always commercials about it, so I figure it's good stuff. Let's see here. Oh, look, my wrist broke. Ah! Alright, here's the trick. Oh yeah, right there. It's the good stuff. Let's do the bottom too and make it more bold. Alright, we're switching hands. Right here. Oh yeah. Oh, I missed a little bit. That's okay. It goes with the boldness. Okay, so now to top it off, I thought we'd be a little bold and exciting today because we always need to look beautiful in quarantine. Going with some lipstick. Let's see. There. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. And this has been Quarantine with Halls. I meant Cynthia. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you hit subscribe below. And next week, I'm going to teach you how to paint your toenails. See ya next time.